Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12 by 12 inch canvas. Hopefully enough pillow paint with GAC 800 and a little GAC 100 in it to be able to do what I want to do. It looks like I do. I hope so. I'm kind of thinking everybody pours this in a circle, but if I get it to go in a rectangle, I'd be happier. And I think I have a trick. I'm going to have to clean off my swipe card though. Let's do the long way. I want that paint to go all the way over so I can swipe it over. And then pour it back again. Let's see how this works. I don't know, trying to be tricky doesn't always work for me. There we go. I've got what I need there. I dropped that face up, which is good. That means I can clean it off. On my studio rag, which I keep wet, which is the weight of a cotton turtleneck that I didn't think I was ever going to need, and now it's so cold in Florida that I'm pretty sure I'd changed my mind. Alright, so I'm going to put that away. Maybe if I pull that thread out of there, it won't drop into the bottle. Come on, off my finger now. No. Really? Alright, so I'm going to use colors that float my boat. And they're going to start with Egyptian coin. Not sure I should have gone around the end, but I'll do it on both sides. I could just do it right up everywhere. That'll resolve my issue, right? I'm hoping my head is not blocking you, but I'm just putting down paint, so it shouldn't be any real terrible big deal. How about some on the actual ends? You can tell it does not matter. Now my idea was that I was going to use up the rest of my Bonfire. These are Prism pour paints. There is a 20% off promo code right underneath the video. They're from Colour Arte. They are mixed with they're mixed with Vivid Polypore. I don't know why I keep avoiding the end pieces, because I need to do that. Maybe because I figure the paint's going to squish out anyway. That's a technical term, squish. Now I need one more color at least. And I'm not a huge fan of, but it mixes well with the Pink Lady. We shall see. Sometimes things surprise me. So what's my last color going to be? I think it's not going to be my last color. I think it's going to be Pink Diamond. And just for general principles, a little Claret. Which may or may not make any difference. I'm losing some paint over the side. I don't necessarily need this to be all the same, but it's supposed to be simple. I'm not good at simple. So, I saw this done with white, so I'm going to do it white the first time. This is Aussie Floetrol with Amsterdam white. I'm going to try and keep my scrape dish. Looks like my corners are being problem children. That sometimes makes for interesting organic designs. I should wipe that off or scrape it off. I want the paint to go all the way down, even though I don't know. I might tip it off. And I'm definitely thinking about leaving some of that gold behind. I think I'd like that. Let's go to the other side and see if we can do better. It may or may not emerge, but I'm liking the result anyway. So I'm going for the black. I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to throw some purple, dioxazine purple in there too. Usually more is better, but I'm not sure about it in this case. It'll turn out to be something. There, I'm not minding that. Thank goodness. I'm just going to use the paint I've got. It is white latex semi-gloss house paint from Colour Place. This is awesome. Maybe I'll go back on the other side again. I'm going to wipe that off because I've got house paint on there. So the first swipe with the black and the purple was a lot of paint. Maybe too much is what I'm guessing. But the second one was a lot better. And I'm going to wipe that off and dry it off and go back to the other side. Now I could tip this, or I could just leave it, and I love it the way it is, so it's tempting. I'm going to use purple on this side. Scrape off my residuals. That's a little better. See, I have either large objects or very tenacious bubbles. I think they're bubbles, actually. I like the purple, but I think I'm going to do purple and black. So if I flip this over, it's going to be on that side. I never tried just part of things. Oh, I'm going to go this way. Kind of like this still. Leaving it would not be out of the question. I am going to have to tip this. I really want to photograph before then, though. Okay, so if I want my black on the inside, it has to go on the outside. I get it. I'm telling you what, that Bonfire just rocks. I wonder if I could get away with leaving it alone. I want to take some of that paint out of my dish. Just put it on my edges. Probably won't fool anyone. But it might. Alright, that's pretty cool. I even like the weird thing there. Although, now that I say that, you know, It's much easier. To take a little black and a little purple. And do that. Nope. Too much pressure. I'm going to take some of this paint. Fill in that little gap. I had a missing corner. So that's pretty cool. I don't really want, I really don't want to tip this. But I really need to. Because I used pillow paint. But I'm going to remember this. And do the same technique without the pillow paint. Because I think that will work. Now I've got a tray. And I'm going to need it. You know what? I want a picture of that. So bear with me. It's the only picture I might get of it. Okay. So here goes nothing. Pick that paint up over there. Put it down again. Question is, do I have to? The answer is, I don't know yet. Got that bubble out of there. I figure if I get even a semblance of an even layer across, I might quit and take a chance that the GAC 800 will save me. Because I really like that. And I'm not too worried about the edges. In the worst case scenario, I can always paint them black. That is my prerogative as an artist. Oh, stuck my finger in there. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm going to grab something and start finding bubbles because there seem to be quite a few of them in this mixture. Helps to look sideways in the light. So I would appreciate a thumbs up if you've got one to give. Thank you for watching longer. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that include you into the invitation to become part of the monthly drawing. This is wonderful. I love these colors together. I might have already used these colors recently on something else, but since I never post my videos in any particular order, that would be very difficult to tell. This is fun. Loving those colors. So don't forget that 20% off promo code coupon code at the top underneath the video, right above Show More. Under Show More, you're going to find my link tree, which has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups. My Amazon link has 2 books on it, my 2 books on it, because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate it. On my link tree, you'll find Legaler's clothing. I might want to put this print on something. I still have some more. I have an invitation from them to add more artwork, but I've been so busy I just haven't gotten around to it. Which reminds me, anything you find that you'd like to have reproduced that's not already on Fine Art America or Pixels.com can be added there. Also on Spring, the clothing below the video, there's all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts there. I'm just dipping my finger in and using the paint. I'm cheating because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link, I think I mentioned that. What did I not tell you? I have 2,300 videos, and if you can't find what you're looking for, ask me, because they're all organized by topic and genre and by the 100. Soon to be 2,400 videos. They're posted well in advance, so you won't be able to access all of the last 100 for a little while. But they're coming, one a day, 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right now. It's moving to noon in 2020. And I hope to see you there. Thank you for sharing my videos. Did I mention that? And watching them longer and watching the commercials is a big assistance. I really, really appreciate it when you do that. So if you can, that's great. And if you can't, I love you anyway. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting and the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. If you'd like to be in the monthly drawing, check out the prizes that are included at the beginning of the exhibition video that I add to the end screen in the last 20 seconds of this video. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I do post every day, 7 days a week. What did I not tell you? Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are all in the link tree. My email address is below the link tree. And you will be able to inquire for the purchase of an artwork or information about taking a lesson with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And my paint pouring recipes are below the video, under Show More. There's a lot of stuff under there. So this is really cool. I'm really loving this. And I think I can even get a lot closer. Check that out. I don't know why I like this combination of colors so much, but I really, really do. Maybe it's an Aquarian thing. In any case, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. If I forgot something, you'll hear it in another video. And I can't imagine what that is. I think I told you everything. Oh, I love you. And questions are fine, so ask away if you'd like to. If I know the answer, I'll tell you. And if I know someone who knows the answer, I'll tell you who they are. And if I don't know, I'll tell you that too. Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shopping. Pixels.com, Fine Art America. Society 6, you got to check that out. It's on the link tree. It's some of my favorite new designs on all kinds of awesome, extremely useful, and gift-worthy presents. Or potential presents. Anyway, you guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I think that's enough for now. Priscilla out. Bye for now. See you anon.